These colors here are associated with Rastafarianism and Pan-Africanism. These were originally imperial colors of the Zagwe dynasty, of the Ethiopian monarchy. Marcus Garvey, he adopted this into red, black, and green. And then later on, a lot of countries in Africa, after they gained independence, they adopted these colors, or red, black, and green, or a combination of all of them. The red, gold, and green, this is a very popular flag pattern across Africa, but it originated in Ethiopia. And where the star is now, there used to be a line of Judah. In Africa, after independence, that adopted colors of Garveyism were Kenya, Ghana, Senegal, Mali, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, the Republic of Congo, as in Brazzaville, Angola, Mozambique, the current flag of South Africa, not the past, Zimbabwe, Zambia, and there are former countries as well, such as Cape Verde, also known as Cabo Verde, and Rwanda, but their flags have since changed. Oh yes, Libya's current flag is of the colors of Garveyism. South Sudan also has colors of Garveyism. It's not there, but in the Americas. The flag of Jamaica was based on the colors of Garveyism, but without red. The flag of Guyana, which is in South America, folks, not in Africa, that has the colors of Garveyism, red, gold, green, and black. The flag of St. Kitts and Nevis, and probably a few more that I've missed off the top of my head. Marcus Garvey had a big impact on post-independent countries in both Africa and some of the Americas. I want to say thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and bang the notification bell. Your views really help us.